Yon guys, so we're here na sa Plaridel, San Rafael Shell Bypass Road. So galing kami ng Labrador, Pangasinan, and nagpag-dinner na kami. At ang owner nito ni Puroy, meet Puroy, the 14-year-old Kawasaki Fury 125. Yan ang owner. Boss Remy, yan ang owner, oh. Yun, oh. Tama ako, no? Si Puroy, 14 years old na.
14 years old.
Yun, no? Kumusta biyahe, boss?
Swabe.
Di ba?
Sarap.
Ang sabi mo, kaya ng motor.
Kaya ng motor. Sa huli, tinanong ko kung kaya ko.
Sana all.
Galing.
Motor, hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko eh.
Galing. Ganyan guys, katibay ang Kawasaki Fury. Okay? So, I had my Fury way back 2000 and I think 9 Security. Then I sold it around way back 2013.